Welcome to my channel Watches. Today, I will show you the best Navy SEALs watches based on price and specifications. For more upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel. Number 8. Garmin Tactix Delta Solar, the GP's smartwatch. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $1,099, but this vary with time. Tactix Delta Solar Edition is the tactical GP smartwatch built to military standards. Milstead 810, with solar charging lens. With specialized tactical features as well as mapping, music, advanced training features, and more, this watch is built to stay in the field for months, meant for everyday life as well as fieldwork. Product dimensions 1.97 x 1.57 x 1.18 inches. Item weight 3.42 ounces. 100 meters. Number 7. Rolex Submariner Automatic Self-Wind Mail Watch 116,610. Now, a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $13,830, but this vary with time. Swiss made. Black dial. Hour markers. Black Sierra chrome ceramic bezel insert. Engraved 60-minute graduations. Cyclops lens date feature. Instantaneous date with rapid setting. Stop seconds feature for precise time setting. ELF winding automatic chronometer movement. COS chronometer certified. Rolex caliber 3,135. Vibrations per hour 28,800. Jewels 31. Polished with brushed 904L oyster steel stainless steel case. Number 6. Luminox X 3503. Navy SEAL Foundation exclusive C-Series watch. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $475, but this vary with time. Luminox Men's Navy SEAL 3500 Series Black Pewband Blue Dial Quartz Analog Watch X 3503 NZF. Luminox has been the watch of choice for professionals like Navy SEALs, expert counterterrorism operative Scott Castle, the U.S. Coast Guard, law enforcement divers, and many more for the past 25 years. Dial window material type? Tempered scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Number 5. Marathon Search and Rescue Dive Watches. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $982, but this vary with time. Case diameter 36 millimeters. Case thickness 13.00 mm. Band material rubber. Band width 18.00 mm. Band color black. Dial color black. Special features Arabic numerals. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Colloquial name: medium search and rescue quartz, Missar quartz, Ensign 6,645 1, 697 4,203. Movement high torque quartz 3 jewels. Case 316L stainless steel submersibility 30 at. Number 4. Luminox Navy SEAL 3580 Series Blue Dial Canvas Strap Men's Watch XS 3583 ND. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $293, but this vary with time. Handles pressure easily. Make this Luminox your new everyday watch. Carbonox case and 316L stainless steel caseback. Carbonox unidirectional rotating bezel at 12H fitted with a protected colored light tube with sapphire crystal. Tempered scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Movement Ronda 5030. DH1. Water resistant to 200 meters, 20 ATM, 660 feet, individually tested. Black rubber signature strap with stainless steel brushed signature buckle, 24/22 M. Number 3. Casio G-Shock GBH1001A7. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $399, but this vary with time. Casio G-Shock Move GBH1008. The new GBH1000 G-Shock Movie watch is equipped with heart rate monitor and GPS. Useful workout functions include an optical sensor for heart rate, along with bearing, altitude/barometric pressure, and temperature sensors. and an accelerometer for step counting. Package dimensions 7.13 x 5.43 x 4.9 inches. Item weight 9.6 ounces. Number 2. Casio G-Shock Frogman GoFA 1001A2 Jeff. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $825, but this vary with time. Case diameter 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness 19.7 millimeters. Band color blue. Dial color black. Item weight 4.2 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. I really like the face and size of this watch. It's big, bold, and easy to see the time on this watch. The blue band really adds a bit of color and distinction to this analog watch. It's really easy and convenient to use when paired with a smartphone. Number 1. Citizen BJ 2169 8E Men's Pro Master Blue Rubber Strap Dive Watch. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $895, but this vary with time. Display type analog. Case diameter 47 millimeters. Band material rubber. Band color blue. Dial color black. Movement Eco Drive. This watch comes with an extra blue rubber strap 740. 1 second chronograph measures up to 50 minutes, 12/24-hour time, maximum depth memory, power reserve indicator. High quality 21 cm length and 22 m width blue rubber strap with a buckle. Case diameter 46 m, case thickness 15 m, case color silver and dial color black. Water resistant 20 bars, weight 142 g.